In this video, we are going to start with module 3, that is Introduction to Inventories. Then what is inventory? Inventory refers to all the items, goods, products, materials which are held by a business for selling in the market to earn the profit. What is inventory? Inventory is the total amount of goods or materials or raw materials which are contained in a store or a factory at a given time. That is nothing but total amount of goods, products, items or the materials which is stored in a store or in a factory or in a warehouse at a particular time. That one we just call here the inventory. Next, the word inventory can refer to the both total amount of goods and the act of counting them. This indicates the act of counting or listing items. Inventory refers to all the stock in the various production stages and it is a current asset. By keeping stock, both retailers and manufacturers can continue to sell or build items. Inventory management is the process of planning, controlling and maintaining of the ordering, storage and use of raw materials, components, semi-finished goods and finished goods. It is a method of ordering, storing and using company's inventory. It includes management of raw materials, components, finished products as well as warehousing and processing. In the same way, we will see some of the functions of inventory management also. The first one, meeting the needs of departments by providing right type and right quantity of raw material or machine components at the right time. In the same way, notifying the sales department about the quantity available for sales, making timely intimation to purchase department for procurement. In the same way, maintaining optimum level of inventory, continuous tracking and monitoring of inventory to minimize the wastage. These are some of the functions. What is inventory? Stock of items intended for sale in the regular course of business. This includes raw material, WIP, that is work in progress or work in process, and finished goods. Here, raw materials are the basic materials which the company buys from its suppliers and it is used to convert them into the final products by applying a set of manufacturing processes. Coming to WIP. WIP indicates here work in process or work in progress. In this case, we just call this one as semi-finished goods. They are the raw materials that have been taken out of the raw material store and are now undergoing the process of their conversion into the final products. They are partly processed raw materials and now coming to the finished goods. Finished goods, even we call this one as final products also, which is obtained after the manufacturing processes on raw materials and semi-finished goods, and they are ready for sale. Next is regarding about what is inventory accounting. Accounting of inventory related transactions. Inventory accounting is nothing but a process of valuing and keeping a track for any changes in the inventories. Goods are categorized in three different stages. The first one is of raw goods, the second is work in progress goods, and the last one is of finished goods which are ready for sale. Inventory accounting method allows business owners to assign values to the items in each of these three processes and record them as company assets. The next is regarding about need for inventory accounting. For three reasons we do accounting for inventory. The first one is for accounting reason. The second one is for business reason, and the last one is for statutory reason. Types of transactions. There can be only two types of transactions in case of inventory accounting. One will be inwards, the other one will be the outwards. Concepts in inventory accounting. The first one, stock category, stock group, stock item, units of measure, number of decimals, and the last one is of godows. Coming to the first one, that is stock category. This is a feature or a tool in Tally that offers a parallel classification of stock items. In the same way, this provides three-dimensional reporting of inventory. Coming to the second one, that is stock group. Stock group are nothing but collection of similar stock items. The next one is of stock item. Stock items are the basic inventory entities which can be issued and received. The next one is of units of measure. The items, that is nothing but stock items which are purchased or sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity is measured by units. It is necessary to create units of measure when we deal with accounts with inventory. Some of the simple units of measure are numbers, meters, liters, kgs, kilometers, etc. The next one is regarding about number of decimals. Actually, this particular number of decimals or field will come under the units of measure. What is the use of this one? This particular field is useful for units measured in fractions. And this particular field will take the range from 0 to 4. Above 4 is not allowed. This indicates that we can have decimals places up to 4. And the last one is of godows. Godows, even we just call this one as locations also. It's a place where we store the stock items. This is all about the basics of inventory. In the next video, we are going to see regarding about the stock category. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.